So what's up guys, I am Ariovit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to join to server Discord. Okay, you leave like and subscribe, share to others and start. So start. First we must open Discord. Okay, and now next step is you have two possible ways. First option is if you know a link to this server. If you have links server, for example this. Okay, and I will show you. Click and click. As you can see, it's teleporting you to this server. Okay. That was first way. Second way, allow you to join the server. If you don't have link, you must click to explore public servers. Display, you must write name this server. For example, Minecraft. As you can see, server is founding. And next, as you can see, you are currently in preview mode. Join the server to start chatting, and you click to join Minecraft. And that's all. And also the same is here, join server. And that's all. So thanks for watching. I have hope you will automatically join the server, and bye bye, and see you in other tutorials. Bye.